Part B, working as a team in class. This first step can be done concurrently on the Google Sheet, each team member working on their own step. In this video, we're going to be working on what team member 5 does in step 5. First, they're going to start by citing one of your stocks, and then you're going to do the sum weight and the expected return of the portfolios themselves. So let's get to it. I'm going to go Control Tab, Tab, Tab to get into the week 9. And I'm going to start finding a column, an empty column where we can put in your stock. Now in my video, 5 of my team members have already put their stocks in, and I only have the 6th one. But in your case, you might be number 1 or 2 or 3, whichever one is empty for you to work with. Grab it and type in the name of your stock, maybe Netflix or whatever. I'm just going to call mine stock 6 for the video. And then enter. And normally you just expect to see like 18 down here. I only made 7 for this video. And then we're going to refer to or cite the percent change of 2015 in your stock. So it's equal, and then Control and Shift, page down, page down, page down, page down, all the way to 6, and then go to K2, the 2015 change, and then enter. And then autofill that down just like you do in Excel. Hold down Shift, down to the bottom, Control D, and it works. Except it gets rid of the line. So you got to click and put the line back. It's the bottom line one. There. Now you've put in your stock. Now what you're going to be doing is filling out the sum weight and the expected return for the actual portfolios. Lowest risk, high risk, and optimal. So the sum weight is just a sum equal SUM, and it's guessing that they probably want from B16, B21, which is correct. And if it's not, choose that, but they'll probably see yours too, and just hit enter. In a minute, we're going to autofill it across. But then we're going to make the expected return. And it's a combination of these expected returns that haven't been filled in yet. One of your team members is about to do it, and maybe they've done it already in your case, but in mine they haven't done it. But that's okay that they haven't done it yet. They will, and when they do, my formula will work. And then these percentages that will later be changed. So the expected return formula is equal array constrain. I just started to type out, and there's 2 array ones, and the one I want, you see how right now is array formula is grayed out? I want to use array constrain, so use the down arrow to choose array constrain and tab to accept that. And then it's array formula. There it is, that's the one I want, it's grayed out, tab to accept it. And then I want to choose sum, and then tab to accept that. And then transpose, and tab to accept that. And then we're going to transpose the ones that I have above me. So use your arrow key to go up, and then hold down Shift and choose all the ones, not down to line 22, but line 21, all the percentages of which each of the stocks. By the way, it has to transpose this because this one is going up and down, and it's going to multiply it by the ones going left and right. That's why we're using transpose. And then close brackets, and then multiply by, go up to these expected returns, hold down Shift, and choose from B to G. Do not choose H even if you see numbers there, just B to G. And then F4 those ones, because each of the 3 portfolios will be referring to the same ones. So F4 them. And then close bracket twice, and then comma, there is 1 row, comma, and 1 column, close bracket. And then enter. And I know it's 0 now just because all the data is not in, but it will come. And then Shift and select both of them, and while you're still holding down Shift, go across to and Control R to autofill it across. And you're done the sum weight and the expected return.